Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back with our pip series. And today we are going to be learning about help inside pip. So alright, let's just jump into it. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We take one video at a time and we build upon it. So alright, we have pip, we called pip, and then we start to get instructions. So the usage, structure of commands. So pip, command, then option. So wait a second. So pip help, pip help. So basically, okay. So wait a minute, command and then the options. So you can do this one of two ways, where you can go the command and then options. I like to be explicit. So let's just say we want pip help install. So then let's just go over this for a second. Where was it? I want to call pip that program. I want help with install. So then it's going to go, okay, pip install my options, options, install packages. So this pip also supports installed requirements, which we've already done that. And then here are the, okay, so we've looked at R with the required file, then constraints, then dependencies. So each command that Python has right here, there's going to be a set of instructions. So we've already looked at a little bit of these, but I don't want you to be, and we're not going to go through all of them. We're going to go through the big heavy hitters, but I want you to understand that pip help list. So we can get help on list, which we're going to do that next time, and look at the things that we can do with that, because there's actually some pretty advanced stuff we can do. And let's look at other pip. What else we got? Pip download, yeah. Pip help download. So then we get our, here we go. Very, 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 very helpful. So if there's something that you're doing with pip and you're not sure, just call pip help and whatever command you're struggling with, okay? And then pip help search. There we go. So you can actually go and look and see before you're trying to install something. You can go and see from PyPy if the package is there and usable. So very, very handy tool. And like I said, you're getting more advanced. You can handle these things. And we're just going to start exposing you more and more features. So that's why it's so important. You're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and if you don't mind, hitting that thumbs up like button. And please ask any comments, questions, video requests, hitting that share button with somebody who's struggling or really starting to wrap their head around Python. Share these videos with them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.